Good evening everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Twinkle Quatra from IME Law College and currently a legal intern at Lexis and Company, and the topic that I am going to discuss is what is the maternity leave policy in India. First I will tell you what is maternity leave. So maternity leave in India means a period legally allowing Indian women to be absent from work for a specific number of weeks before and after she gives the birth to a child, and this period is indispensable to take care of the newborn child in the early stages of his or her life. The time period of leave also includes the last week of pregnancy, and it is known as parental leave. And the Maternity Benefit Act that is of 1961 regulates the law of maternity leave in India, which lays down the provision relating to several benefits that the mother receives in India. And this act also states the nature of maternal leave and employment benefit available to a woman employed in both private and public sector. This is fully paid leave available to a pregnant and working woman to take care of herself and her child. As the maternity leave law in India was amended by the Maternity Benefit Amendment Act 2017, which came into effect on 1st April 2017, is extensively modified the old Maternity Act in India and is applicable to all the mines, plantation, shops, factories, establishment, whether it is organized or unorganized sector. As per the Act, for eligibility, the maternity leave, a woman must have been working as an employee in an establishment for a period of at least 80 days in the past 12 months. Initially, Indian maternity leave was for the months, but after the amendment, the maternity leaves in India was extended. Now it's more than 6 months of maternity leave in India for all the women working in companies with at least 10 employees. However, a woman who has 2 or more children is entitled to 12 weeks of pregnancy leave in India. So now I will tell you about the legal action that we can take against the denial of maternity leave. So a good HR policy will always try to implement and ensure that women employees do not have to give up their career because of the hesitation that they feel to ask for the maternity leave. So after the amendment of the Act of Maternity Law in 2017, there are some major consequences that an employer can face for refusing to provide an expecting employee with maternity leave. So I will tell you only few of them because there are many, so I will discuss only 3 to 4. First is maternity leave will be extended from the present 3 months to 6 months by an organization. So earlier it was of 3 months and now it will be extended for 6 months. And however, an organization can revoke maternity benefit in India only in case a woman employee changed her job during that period. That means that if the maternity leave had been given by the company and in that period only the woman changes her job, in that case they can revoke their maternity leave. Then women will not be able to enjoy that time. So second is, as per the labor law in India, the rule for maternity leave in India supports a woman employee where she can file a case in labor court against the employer for her dismissal or discharge on account of such absence. So if the employer will not give maternity leave to any woman, so she can file a case in labor law in India. And last is that if the employer denies maternity benefit to a female employee, the labor court can hold the employer liable to imprisonment of 3 months, fine the employer with an amount up to rupees 5,000 or both, as per the rule of maternity leave in India. So after the amendment, it came that if someone denies that they will not provide maternity leave to their employee, so the court will give punishment of 3 months and will also give fine up to rupees 5,000 and both. So these were some amendments. If you want that I share all the amendments, then you can comment down below. And that's it for this video. Hope you like this short video about maternity leave, and keep liking, keep sharing and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for this video.